Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel with me Orghum Maiti, nutritionist practitioner and a life coach. And today I am going to talk about a very interesting topic that is very much usual for you to know all about in various ways, but at the same time today in this video I am going to give you a very detailed information about this, and also the main thing is that in this video that I am going to tell you that how you can get a good substitute option of your commercial energy drink. So then you don't need to spend for your commercial energy drink and you can get a good substitute of that. Okay, so today's topic is orange. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So before coming in conclusion, we should start with that what orange containing with. Orange containing with from macros, good amount of carbohydrates, and also less amount of protein. At the same time, from micros, it's containing with vitamin A, vitamin B6, okay, vitamin C. At the same time, it's containing with calcium, magnesium, potassium, and also flavonoids, polyphenols, folate, etc. Okay, so now you have to know what is the benefits of orange. Okay, definitely you know that there are several benefits of orange, but today here in this video I have choose to inform you the 5 main benefits which is very much related with our health issues. Okay, so that will be very much easy for you to understand the importance of orange. Okay, so number 1, it helps to improve your heart health. Okay, how it does? Actually it's containing with a good amount of potassium. Okay, and potassium that definitely works on our to maintain our blood pressure. Okay, so this is how it can help, or actually it helps to maintain our heart health. Okay, so number 1. Number 2, it helps to prevent arthritis. Okay, so how it works? Actually it's containing it has a good property of anti-inflammatory property. Okay, so therefore an arthritis already it's a one type of inflammation, so it helps to reduce the inflammation, and by this way it helps in to reduce or to prevent arthritis. Okay, then number 3, it helps in to fight cancer. How it works? It containing with, already I have mentioned, a good amount of vitamin C. Okay, so vitamin C it's a good, strong antioxidant. Okay, so antioxidant definitely it helps to save our healthy cells from those free radicals. Okay, so actually what it happens when those free radicals comes, it attack our healthy cells. Okay, and therefore it converted those cells into cancerous. Okay, so when we are consuming this orange, and therefore we are getting that vitamin C in good amount of, and vitamin C is a good source of good antioxidant as well. So this antioxidant protect us to not to get affected from those free radicals. Okay, so therefore we can fight with cancer. Okay, then number 4, it helps in improve our bones health and also teeth, and also along with that it helps to fight with the viral infections. Okay, how it works? So definitely in this context we all know that it containing with a good amount of calcium as well. Okay, so calcium, that it is very much clear for us that well-known thing that calcium is very much helpful and useful too, and basically it's a main component of our bones health, and also to create a good strong bone and teeth as well. So definitely in this way calcium helps to improve the bones health, the teeth health, if we consume orange. Okay, and along with that this orange also helps in to protect ourselves from viral infection, like those fevers and all that. This is one type of viral infection. So how it works, it containing with a good amount of polyphenols and flavonoids. Okay, therefore these two things helps our body to not to get affected from those viral infections. Okay, now the point number 5 is it helps very much useful actually, orange, for pregnant women. How it works, because it containing with the folate, you know. So folate actually what it does, it helps to improve healthy fetus. Okay, so those are the pregnant women. So definitely pregnant women very much gets that help to improve that fetus during that pregnancy. Okay, so these are the 5 main benefits of orange that I have just mentioned to you, and that is very much useful because it's very much related with our health. There are several other benefits, but I'm not going to give you the detailed information, so then the video will be so long. So now the main thing what I explain you, that you will get some extra information from this video which will be very much useful for you, and that is how you can use orange. And basically in substitute of your commercial energy drink, you can use your orange or orange juice effectively. Okay, so there, number one, first thing is you have to understand why we take energy drink, commercial energy drink, to get the energy. So what is energy all about? Definitely it's basically we are getting a good amount of carbohydrates, therefore we can store our glycogen, and therefore we are getting those energies, right? So at the same time, from this main point, you have to understand what orange containing with. First of all, orange, all we know, it has a good amount of carbohydrate, also good amount of water, then it containing with magnesium, potassium, okay, also calcium is there. Okay, so now the thing is how these are the things can help to get that energy, and we can use this orange juice or orange in substitute of our commercial energy drink. Okay, so now the thing is, definitely commercial energy drink definitely will provide the carbohydrate that will help to get that energy, and also it's a water. Okay, so definitely it keeps us hydrated for longer time, right? So orange has a good amount of carbohydrate. If we take around 230 to 250 ml, around you can say 230 ml, okay, of orange juice, pure orange juice, without adding any extra thing into them. Okay, so in that context you will get around 28 gram of carbohydrate. Also you will get 450 around, okay, 450 milligram of potassium. Also there you can get around 6% magnesium is there. Okay, and also it's a watery content, and it's containing with a good amount of water. Okay, so definitely in this context, how it will help you, definitely you are getting a good amount of carbohydrate, which will be very much useful for you to get a good amount of glycogen stored. That will be helpful to give you a good amount of energy, right? At the same time, water is present there in an ample amount of, and that will keeps you hydrated. At the same time, if it's containing with the potassium, which is very much useful, because how it useful, that all we normally know that it helps to maintaining our blood pressure level. At the same time, on the other hand, this potassium with the help of calcium it's very much useful to maintain our nervous system. Okay, so definitely those are the athletes, they needs to do their activity in a frequent way, so therefore their nervous activity should be at that optimal level, right? So definitely that way this potassium will help them a lot. At the same time, by those activity, when the athlete is doing a good amount of, I mean, good intensity, doing a good intensity of exercise, so that time definitely their heart rate goes up, and that needs to be in control. Okay, otherwise you have to face any heart attack or any stroke type of health disease. So definitely in that context, potassium will play a very vital role to maintain your blood pressure level. Okay, so definitely this way potassium in this food item, and if you are using any substitute way of your commercial energy drink, so definitely very much useful for you to give you a good good support. Okay, at the same time, now you see the magnesium is present there, around 6% magnesium you can get from 100 I am sorry, actually from 230 ml of orange juice. Okay, so in this context definitely this magnesium works to relax our muscles. Okay, so those are the athletes mainly there, so they needs to be relax their muscles because they are training in a hard intensity for longer time, and after that their muscles needs to be recovered, and that is only possible when they have a good amount of magnesium as well. So in whole, if you see, you are getting a good support from this orange juice, and by this time definitely I can tell you, as a substitute option, you can choose this orange juice as a substitute of your commercial energy drink. Okay, now the thing is, as an athlete, how you should how and when you should take this orange, and also by that way that you are using in a substitute option of your commercial energy drink, right? So in this point, as an athlete, you can take this orange juice like a 1 cup or 2 cups of orange juice in your pre-workout. Okay, at the pre-workout meal actually. At the same time, also you can take it after your workout as a post-workout drink. Okay, at the same time, because these two ways this will be very much useful, because it's a watery content, it will be absorbed quickly. At the same time, it has a good amount of nutrients which is very much required for you for that period of time, right? At the same time, during your event, when you are doing your exercise or you are performing in your event, and that time definitely we used to take our commercial energy drink, right, to get the energy or to restore our glycogen, right? And so in this context, if you don't want to take your commercial energy drink, so definitely you can choose orange. Like that time you can take in juice form, or you can normally take, and there if you take even a 1/4 of orange, that will also give you around 4 gram of carbohydrate instantly. So definitely you can understand how quickly you are getting your glycogen stored. So this will be very much a good substitute option for you if you don't want to take your commercial energy drink. Okay, and also for the general persons, definitely I can suggest no need to spend for those commercial energy drink. Definitely those are the drink are useful, but at the same time, if you go through a very thorough research or something like that, So that time you can see that most of the commercial drink even is not providing you that amount of nutrients which you are getting from this 230 ml of orange juice. So because you will get a less carbohydrate from those commercial health I mean energy drinks. Also you will get a less potassium. So definitely this will be I mean very much reliable option for you to choose as your energy drink, okay, and not to even spend for those commercial energy drink, okay. So also now the thing is that in conclusion I can tell you orange basically a good food to get a good amount of nutrients, okay. So you can take orange any time of a day. Basically in a daytime it will be very much suitable. It will be good if you are taking in breakfast after your post lunch, okay. At the same time, if you want to choose this orange juice or orange as a substitute option of your commercial energy drink, so definitely this will be a good option for you. You can go for that. But after all of this, I would like to tell you one thing very clear. Look, everyone's system is different. Everyone's system, it means our digestive system is different. Everyone's may have some allergic issue with some particular food or something like that. So you choose orange as a substitute option of your commercial energy drink, or at the same time to get a good amount of nutrients you can add this particular food in your breakfast and after your lunch, okay. Any time of a day you can take it. But at the same time, if you are not having any issue with this particular food, your digestive system is working well, you are very much okay with this, so there will be no issue. You can take it continuously, there will be no problem. But if you are having any issue, if you are having any allergic issue, if you are having any digestive issue, okay, so that time you should think that you should not take it because it's not fit for you, okay. So go for orange. If it's fit for you, there will be no issue at all. So that's all from this video. I think I will make it very much clear to you. And now let me comment in below how you see and how it's very much helpful for you if you are taking orange as a substitute option of your commercial energy drink, okay. So and also make sure you must comment because I want to know much from you. So please do comment, and it makes a good relation with you guys. So that's all. And those are not also following me in Twitter, so please do follow me in Twitter as well. So that's all from this video. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, please hit the thumbs up. And that's all for now. Until the next one, stand in fear with confidence. Goodbye.